The portable power distribution panel from Larson Electronics is a portable breaker panel that offers a primary and secondary single-phase voltage of 120 or 240 volts AC and a 50 amp main lug-only panel. This power distribution system provides operators the ability to safely tap into power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. This portable breaker panel is suitable for outdoor applications. This unit provides an effective power distribution system for operators performing plant turnarounds, maintenance, and cleaning in hazardous areas. The load center is mounted within a N3R enclosure. This unit is equipped with 20 feet of number 6 SOOW cord with a 50 amp 125 and 250 volt CS6365C cord cap. The transformer and load center distribution assembly is mounted to a standard upright steel dolly cart style frame, resulting in an extremely stable, durable, and mobile power distribution platform. This temporary power distribution solution can be modified to meet the needs of job site receptacle requirements. Units are available up to 150 kVA and can be equipped with skids or trailer mounted. Applications include construction sites, plant maintenance, hazardous location operations, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operations. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.